wants to fight you, this game could tell you what kind of moves and you could try them.
So have you ever tried out any of the things that you've learnt on here?
Yeah, quite a few.
Did they work?
I've tried to jump, grab my brother, jump, spin and land on his head, on my cushions, but
Did it work?
No, I can't seem to pick him up. 5 stone for a 14-year-old about the size of me.